And I'm sick of archaeologists saying that. This is the memory banks of our species. This is the record, the only record we have of a period before 6,000 years ago. And we shouldn't despise it and scorn it as primitive superstition. We should say, what can we find in here that we can coordinate with scientific facts that we're aware of? Let's see if there's something to this rather than just dismissing it. Many of these myths contain imagery and a series of numbers. A very important academic study published in the 1960s, a book called Hamlet's Mill, by Giorgio de Santillana, professor of the history of science at Massachusetts Institute of Technology, and Hertha von Deschen, professor of history of science. This is not me speaking. This is major historians of science in the 1960s. They found encoded in those myths numbers and imagery that could only relate to one thing. And that's an obscure astronomical phenomenon called the precession of the equinoxes. I'm not going to go into the technical details, but to observe it and to record it and to predict its effects in the future involves very precise astronomical observations maintained over a very long period of time, hundreds and hundreds of years at least. So here we have myths of a global cataclysm. There is just so much else. There are ancient maps that show the world as it looked during the Ice Age, again dismissed as just total coincidence and not significant by archaeology. I feel that archaeology has failed miserably in providing a nurturing, satisfying answer to the questions we all have.